Welcome to HVAC Startup Technicians, guys, and today I am on a mall, walking on a mall strip, and I just wanted to show you down this way all the stuff that we works on from year to year. So I am here doing a maintenance on this and making sure that everything works good. So I just wanted to give you guys not necessarily a view, but I just want to show you that you should always know what you're working on. So right here we have our nameplate, and then we could look at our BTU. This is a 120,000 BTU furnace. It is a rooftop. So presently right now I am doing combustion tests, as you guys can see. So we're doing that. Not looking too great, but and then we're checking some supply and return temperatures. And we want to see what we return over here. The return is always close to the filter, so we're checking that. And I also have this running. I put a jumper here, so I jump, power. We have two-stage furnace, so I did put a jumper from stage 1 to stage 2. So I just wanted to show you exactly what we do on a maintenance and all the different stuff that we check. So as we can see, we're not looking super good. We have an airflow problem, because I could tell you our numbers are all over the place, which is not looking good. That 190 something excess air, we should have about 75. The excess air keep going up, and it could be reading a cracked heat exchanger. But I'm gonna dive deeper into this, see what our supply and return is. We're pulling out 121 and our return is 62. So the purpose of this video is, when you come up, always read your nameplate and know exactly what you're working on. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe.